there, welcome to Tina Kids TV.
Look at the big, friendly cow. She has a soft nose and loves to eat green grass all day long. Can you make a giant sound with me? Moo! Good job. Cows give us yummy milk to help us grow big and strong. Look at the fluffy white sheep. She has soft wool and says, "Ba." Clip, clop, clip, clop. Here comes the horse. Horses have long, beautiful tails and very strong legs for running fast across the fields. They love it when you pat their necks or give them a crunchy apple treat. Let's pretend to gallop like a horse. Giddy up! Now, let me hear your loudest neigh!
Squeak, squeak! Do you see the tiny farm mouse? He's very small and very fast, scurrying through the golden hay with his long pink tail. He's looking for a tiny snack, maybe a little seed or a crumb of cheese. Shh! Let's be very quiet so we don't scare him away. Can you make a tiny mouse sound? Squeak, squeak, squeak. Look at the little hedgehog. He has lots of prickly spikes to stay safe. When he gets scared, he rolls into a tiny ball. Boop! Can you curl up small like a hedgehog? Down in the cool, dark soil lives a tiny pink worm. He doesn't have any legs, so he wiggles and jiggles his whole body to move. Can you wiggle your fingers just like a worm? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. He's a very busy helper, making the garden happy and helping the flowers grow tall.
Look at the big turkey with his bright red neck. He wiggles his feathers and goes, "Gobble, gobble, gobble." Can you flap your wings like a turkey? Woo! Woo! It's the owl. He sleeps during the day and wakes up at night. Good night, owl. Look, it's a squirrel. He's so fast. He runs and jumps and climbs trees. What is he looking for? Nuts. He loves to eat nuts. Look at his fluffy tail. So cute. Quack, quack. Look at the duck. It has a yellow beak and webbed feet. What does the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. What does the duck do? It loves to swim. Watch it put its head underwater. Bloop, bloop. Now it shakes its tail. Quack, quack. Bye-bye. Look at this tiny bird. It's a quail. It's small and round, like a little potato with legs. Look at the feather on its head. It bounces when it walks. Bob, bob, bob. So funny. Bye-bye, little quail. Look at the llama. It's so fluffy, like a walking pillow. It has a long neck and a funny smile. What does the llama say? Hum. Bye-bye, fluffy llama. Look, it's a pigeon. You see them outside every day, in the park, on the street. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! That's their song. Look at their pretty feathers, green and purple on the neck. They bob their head when they walk. Bob, bob, bob. And now, fly away. Shh! Look very carefully. It's a snake. It has no legs. So how does it move? It slithers, like this, side to side. Its body is long and smooth, and covered in scales. Look at the patterns, stripes and spots and colors. What does the snake say? Sa. That's its special sound. Don't worry, little snake. We won't hurt you. Bye-bye, slithery friend. Is this a cow? No, it's a bull. See the big muscles? And the horns? He protects the cows. Moo! Thank you, Bull. Look at the swan on top of the water. So calm, so graceful, so still. But guess what's happening under the water? Swan feet! Going paddle, paddle, paddle. Really fast. Swans look calm on top, but underneath, they're working hard. Like you in the pool. Kick, kick, kick. Their feet are webbed like duck feet to help them swim faster than you. Can you kick your feet like a swan? Kick, kick, kick. Good job. Now you can swim like a swan too. Aw, look at this baby horse. It's a pony. So fluffy, so small. Look at its little legs and big friendly eyes. It says, Neigh. Hi, pony. I love you. Bye-bye, fluffy friend. What do chickens eat? Corn and worms. Watch them peck the ground. Peck, peck, peck with their little beaks. Looking for yummy food. Scratch, scratch with their feet. Found something. Yum, yum. Happy chicken. Aw, look, baby chitons. So tiny, so fluffy, they fit in your hand. They drink milk from mommy and sleep in a pile. All cuddled together. So cozy. I want to kiss their little noses. Mwah! Bye-bye, baby kitties. Aww, a baby goat. It's called a kid, just like you. But with hooves. So tiny, so jumpy. Jump, jump, jump. I'm a baby kid. So cute. Aw, look. Baby bunnies. So tiny, so round. They fit in your hand. All fluffy and soft, little twitchy noses. Wiggle, wiggle. They love to cuddle together. So cozy and warm. Bye-bye, baby bunnies. Look who's here. It's a royal bird. A peacock. See the crown on his head? Tiny feathers pointing up, like a king's crown. And look at his fancy coat. Millions of sparkly feathers, like jewels. Blue and green and gold. He's the fanciest bird in the world. Walk proudly, peacock. You are beautiful. Did you know bats are heroes? They eat bugs, mosquitoes, moths, yucky bugs that bother you. One bat can eat hundreds of bugs in just one night. Thank you, bat. You keep us safe from bites. What a good friend. Bye-bye, bug-eating hero. Look, it's a crow. Amo black shiny feathers, like a little dinosaur. Crows are super smart. They use sticks to get food. They remember faces. They even drop nuts on cars to crack them open. Crack! Smart bird. What does the crow say? Cow, cow, cow. That means, hello, friend. Hello, smart crow. Look, it's a dog. He's so happy. Look at his tail go. Wag, wag, wag. He wants to be your friend. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. Hello, doggy. Look at the fox. He's so fluffy. Look at his big bushy tail, like a feather duster. Orange fur, pointy ears, and a little black nose. What does the fox say? Hee hee. Nobody knows. Bye-bye, tricky fox. Look at the ram. Big curly horns, like cinnamon rolls, on his head. Bah! Hello, strong ram. It's a donkey. Look at his long ears. They go flopping when he walks. What does he say? Hee-haw! So funny. Wow, look at this big animal. It's a water buffalo. Look at those huge horns, curving like bananas. He loves to swim in rivers and mud. Splash, splash! The mud keeps him cool and stops bugs from biting. Smart buffalo, he helps farmers too. Pulling heavy things, so strong. Moo! But deeper. I hope you like the animal. Please like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe for more. See you soon!